Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 15-year follow-up on a 1500 graft strip case for hairline in a guy with a big color contrast and relatively fine half Asian hair. And so this guy came in and he was 27 at the time, and he had an interesting job, and we did this 1500 graft case, and then here he is at 8 months when he popped in. And then here he is at 5 years. He texted this in or emailed this in. And then he stopped in. He was over shopping at Tyson's Corner right before Christmas. And he looks like this. Now, I'll tell you, when he bends over, I think he's wearing a fair amount of topic in the middle part of his head.
Yeah, because we did this
I
part.
asked him what they needed, and he said that 2 kids and his job don't allow him to have a lot of disposable income at this point. But maybe we'll see him back for that middle third at some point. But his hairline
looks real good.
it looks completely unremarkable.
Yeah.
Now 15 years out from 1500 grafts. We do these things all the time. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.